Huh? No, from there it's fine. I'm gonna set you ready to jump, let me know.
Did you go inside? Did you go inside? Why not? There's a nice cave there.
Go on then.
You gonna record?
I'm recording.
Shall I record this? No point.
No need to record it, you can record from the bottom.
Keep this video and then throw it to me.
Alright.
Hold on.
Well, I just want to get a better picture.
I think I gotta make it jump.
I know, just gotta be fair. You're fine.
You
It's,
gonna record?
on this? I don't need to do it. Well then.
Ready?
So, it's been going for ages. Bismillah. Is it cold? Huh? Yeah. Right, Brody. Hey guy, you need your phone?
Oh yeah. Actually jump with it.
You're not joking? You sure?
It might slip.
I'll throw it to you as I jump.
The water's nice now.
Okay, I'll slippery here.
I wanna dive.
I'm gonna chuck it to you. Stay there, stay there. Ready?
Wait there.
That's my cap's gonna go flying, I'm worried about that. Huh? I'm gonna have to hold my GoPro. I'm not gonna jump so high because of the GoPro, you know.
Helmet. I'm gonna put my setting. Ready?
Wait for you, man. I'm fine, I'm just worried about the GoPro.
Hold your head.
Because of the cap.
Hold it.
Bismillah. I don't know if I would have flown off there. I would have flown off.
Thank you. I got tired just by floating there. You've got to go in now.
Yeah, Zach, let me put my cap on properly. Oh, I forgot my glasses, all almost wet, man. Yeah, I forgot all about that. Am I keeping the GoPro or anything?
Yeah.
You know if it's recording, can you tell?
Yes, recording in 3 minutes, I think.
Yeah, it's been on for a while.
How long can the phone be submerged? Doesn't matter how long. Just the
I
pressure.
don't think so. I don't think it matters. I'm not sure, to be honest.
Just in case it's leaking. Oh, you can walk here.
Yeah, cool. Go on, keep going. I'm recording you.
I'm tired already.
You jump in?
Huh? Check. Oh, lad, this is so slippery.
Huh? Hey? شوف شو؟ أشوف شو؟ تشيك شو؟ أيوة بعرف أقول لك شيك الماي. يعني على الحجار قصدك؟ هنا زين. هنا لا. كويس يلا. توكل يلا توكل. مالك؟
يمني لا يمني السعيد.
آمين. Is it slippery? That's what I'm saying. I've got my shoes on and I've got a bit of grip. Oh, there's the stones on the left hand side. Ah, there's a pathway down here. You could have just without jumping. It drops. Need to swim.
Huh? It's okay. Rocks here.
Oh, the rocks. I thought you said it drops here.
Imagine other weather, that would be cold.
Nice and cool. This is Amr. I'm gonna go underwater, so watch him swim underwater. Save your energy in it, walk. Save your energy instead of swimming.
I'm actually excited to see the GoPro footage, you know.
No, that won't be too long. It won't take too. I don't know. I've still got to figure that part out.
I thought there's a way, because people record for ages.
No, there is a way. I just got to figure it out. That's all.
That couple, they came over here and they stopped over there.
They probably don't know. They don't realise.
Huh?
Probably don't realise what's over there.
Yeah, some people don't know maybe.
I think this is it. I mean, I think I look water. Never realised. Yeah.
He decided to keep going. The first guy was just like, no, I'm gonna keep going and see what's over there.
It's fish, man. Nice little fish. Oh, that's slippery, man. Huh? Crystal clear waters.
I'm gonna bring those shoes.
Yeah. Huh? Huh?
It's warm.
Warm. I can't feel the heat because I got my shoes on. Water's flowing faster here though. You okay?
I'm gonna bring.
You're gonna have to. Take your time, don't worry about it, I'll film you. You regret that, huh? I'm so glad I decided last minute to wear my shoes. I would have suffered worse than you know, because I reckon my feet are more sensitive, I think. Take your time though, take your time, don't rush it. Huh? Nice, it's nice and warm, huh? Nice warm, yeah. Yeah man, camping here would have been good. It's just that you have to carry all the stuff in it.
It's scary to camp.
No, if you got a bunch of guys, nothing wrong with that, man.
Can you hear it?
Yeah. You good?
I need to buy those swimming shoes. They had economic.
Yeah. There's a rock here, so. Whoa, whoa, it's slippery, yeah, it's never. Yeah, it's slippery as well. Oh, keep slipping. Gonna drag yourself along with your hands. I reckon that it is. It's as clean as you're gonna get it, you know. We gotta go up there.
Yeah.
How? Watch it, it's slippery, huh? Be careful, it's slippery, huh? Come on, give me a hand.
Not good.
Try this one. Okay. Pull, pull.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Okay, which way?
Life jacket there.
If you can't swim, you definitely need your jacket.
You can swim, don't you?
I could, yeah. Yeah. I mean, some are better than others. Maybe it's a lot of very good swimmers. Go on the rocks here. Whoa. You okay? It's sad it away. Alright.
Professional. This camera. Yeah. And as before we came here, someone was leaving, you just keep going and you get to look and you keep going over there. So this is the distance we swam.
Oh, sliding.
This is the distance we swam, and I thought you can grip somewhere. We had no idea where to grip. So halfway through we were almost drowning. All the way floating on our back, and no one was there. It was like 4:30. And I was like, where can we grab? I can't find it.
You know what? When you panic, it just gets worse.
Yeah. And then we just kept going towards the walls. We floated for a bit on our backs. That helped us a lot.
Alright, how are we doing? I want to go underwater for a bit.
How do you feel it? Can you see down or not?
You can't with the eyes, but the camera's going to be a nice picture. So I'm trying to get the camera. Hey, right? You okay, bro? The cold in the water is better. If you gotta swim it, record. Quite deep as it is, you know. Go in the water. Just put the phone on the water. Come on, just go that down. Check out, let's see if you get it. No, you're good, you're good. طريق وين؟ كي لا وين الطريق عشان نوقف شوي.
توقف هنا تعال.
الله يخليك. الله شو اخبارك؟
الحمد لله.
من عمان؟
اي نعم.
خلاص.
من وين ما شاء الله؟
يمنيين من الامارات.
ما شاء الله ونعم والله.
الله ينعم عليك.
تفضلوا.
يا تعال هنا كم هنا.
تعالوا تعالوا. في كرسي هنا.
You want to rest? Come here.
Yes.
Stand up. Drag me down.
Switch me though.
Okay, everybody good?
No wait.
Just have a little rest.
It's actually more than 20 meters.
Yeah.
Swim.
You reckon?
How's it going? Good? Good and you? Good, good.
Are you from Oman as well?
Huh?
Are you from Oman?
No.
Where from?
France.
From France?
Yes.
Okay.
And you?
We came from Emirates.
Emirates?
Yeah, from Dubai.
I live in Dubai.
You live in Dubai as well, huh? Okay, so excellent.
And you Emirati?
No, we're from Yemen.
Yemen? Okay.
You're on GoPro, huh?
Huh?
You're on GoPro.
Hi, GoPro.
Just to make you aware so you don't sue me later. There's that rope you're talking about, isn't it? Is that the one you're talking about?
No, no.
No, that one.
Inside.
I'm ready when you are, huh?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yalla, شوفكم.
Tawfiq.
Enjoy. It's cool, man. Huh? This is cool.